Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7 students. Our next topic, refraction of light, on page number 125. Students, in this topic we're going to learn about the different stages of light that can travel from one area to another, one material to another. For example, light travels almost 300,000 km per second in air, but it slows down when it passes through different materials such as water and glass. On the basis of this, there are three types. Refraction. So definition of refraction is that when a ray of light meets the new material at an angle, then it bends. This bending is called refraction. Incidence and refracted, we have already learned about this. Students, in this figure you can see that light entering a glass block bends towards the normal. As it leaves the glass, it speeds up again and so bends away from the normal. The ray emerging from this rectangular block is parallel to the ray going on. Now, reflection in different materials. Students, you can see here refraction in different materials such as diamond or glass. Here in this figure you can see that a light travels from air to a glass. A material change from air to glass with different angles. If the material is more denser, as the glass is more denser than the air, the light slows down, so the refraction is greater. Next, apparent depth. In this you can compare two things, air and diamond. One of the effect of refraction is that brain can be tricked into different thinkings, as this diagram shows the apparent depth of stone and resting on the bottom of the pool of water. Now page number 126, test yourself questions and the answers are. Page number 126, first question, what is refraction? The bending of light as it passes from one transparent material to another. B part, describe how a ray of light is refracted when it passes through a glass block. If the material is very dense, the light slows down more so that the refraction is greater. Second question, explain why light bends more when it passes through diamond than it does through glass, because diamond is more denser than the glass. Question number 3, explain why things look as if they are in different positions when seen through water due to refraction of light. Next topic, refraction in lenses. Students, we have two types of lenses, first concave and second convex. You can see here this is a concave lens, are thin in the middle and thick around the edges, but convex lenses are thickest in the middle and thin around the edges. They are used in cameras and telescopes, but concave lenses are used in glasses to correct short eyesight. Now we are going to discuss about the functions of lenses, means how lenses work. Students, as we know that the light travels in straight lines, however it passes through a lens and light is refracted bend. In this figure you can see a convex lens. This is a convex lens, focuses the light rays. This convex lens focuses a light ray to a point. This point is called the focal point. This ray of light all passes through this convex lens, and these rays collected or combined at a point known as focal point. Now concave lens separate light rays. Concave lens, when light passes through a point, it separates all the rays and the focal point is found by tracing the refracted ray back through the lens. Now test yourself questions, page number 127, and the answers are. Page number 127, first question, describe the shape of concave lens. This is the shape, and convex lens, this is also the shape. And what kind of lens would you use as a magnifying glass? Convex lens. Question number 3, A part, what is focal point of a lens? Answer is a convex lens focuses the light rays to point. This point is called focal point. Question number B part, what is focal length of a lens? Answer, the distance between the focal point and the middle of the lens is called focal length. Fourth question, why it is easier to find the focal point of convex lens than that of concave? Because convex lenses are thicker at the middle. The ray of light that passes through the lens are brought closer together.